Question: what are network security groups? A network security group into bracket (NSG) contains a list of access control list (ACL) rules that allow or deny network traffic to subnets, NICs, or both. NSGs can be associated with either subnets or individual NICs connected to a subnet. When an NSG is associated with a subnet, the ACL rules apply to all the VMs in that subnet. In addition, traffic to an individual NIC can be restricted by associating an NSG directly to a NIC. Question: do skill sets work with Azure availability sets? Yes, a skill set is an implicit availability set with 5 fault domains and 5 update domains. Skill sets of more than 100 VMs span multiple placement groups, which are equivalent to multiple availability sets. An availability set of VMs can exist in the same virtual network as a skill set of VMs. A common configuration is to put control node VMs, which often require unique configuration in an available set and put data nodes in the skill set. What is a break-fix issue? Answer: technical problems are called break-fix issues. It is an industry term which requires to work involved in supporting a technology when it fails in the normal course of its function, which requires intervention by a support organization to be restored to working order. Why is Azure Active Directory used? Answer: Azure Active Directory is an identity and access management system. It is used to grant access to your employees to specific products and services in your network. For example, Salesforce.com, Twitter, etc. Azure AD has some inbuilt support for applications in its gallery which can be added directly. What happens when you exhaust the maximum failed attempt for authenticating yourself via Azure AD? Answer: we use a more sophisticated strategy to lock accounts. This is based on the IP address of the request and passwords entered. The duration of the lockout also increases based on the likelihood that it is an attack. Where can I find a list of applications that are pre-integrated with Azure AD and their capabilities? Azure AD has around 2,600 pre-integrated applications. All pre-integrated applications support single sign-on (SSO). SSO lets you use your organizational credentials to access your apps. Some of the applications also support automated provisioning and deprovisioning. How can I use applications with Azure AD that I'm using on premises? Azure Service Fabric is a distributed systems platform that makes it easy to package, deploy, and manage scalable and reliable microservices. Services Fabric also addresses the significant challenges in developing and managing cloud applications. Developers and administrators can avoid complex infrastructure problems and focus on implementing mission-critical demanding workloads that are scalable, reliable, and manageable. Service Fabric represents the next generation middleware platform for building and managing these enterprise class Tier 1 cloud scale applications. What is VNet? Answer: VNet is a representation of your own network in the cloud. It logically isolates your instances launched in the cloud from the rest of your resources.